Welcome to Social Work 3306, Section 007. My name is Prof Bold, and I will be your instructor for this course this semester. I hope everyone has had a good winter break and is ready to get started for the spring. I'm coming to you from a screencast where I have my full screen up, and I'd like to just show you how to get around in the course. If this is the first online course you've taken, expect that there will be sometimes when we need to make corrections and things like that. We need to go ahead and get started with where we are now. I have pulled up here on Blackboard. We are in the Start Here area. Hopefully you all know that this is where you should start. I sent out an email, or will send out an email if I haven't yet, letting you know to start here. And the first thing I'd like for you to do is edit your Blackboard profile. You can do that with the instructions right here, and you can click up there in the right hand corner where there should be a little square there, and we'd like to have your picture there. That is a requirement for this class, that you're able to put your picture on Blackboard so that we can see what's going on when we're talking with you in the discussion boards, and so your group members can see what you look like. Okay, in the Start Here menu, it also says that the first thing you need to do is review the syllabus, and I'll have a video about that in just a little while. Then there is a welcome to the course from me that talks about all of the different areas on the Blackboard menu. So it goes through each area on the Blackboard menu, as well as some other things that you need to know about in order to navigate this course. So you're going to want to read this closely, and it'll be up for the duration of the semester, so you can refer back to it. A couple of things I want to mention about this course is this course involves working in a team. And so almost everything you do will be working with your team and having some team assignments. So you need to be sure and become familiar with your team right in the beginning. And you can do that right over here to the left where it says Teams. When you click on there, you will see which team you're in, and you will be able to click there. And then when you click there, you will see your name. This is just an example, but you'll see your name listed in the group that you've been assigned to. They've already been assigned. There will not be changes to the teams. They've already been assigned. But here is where you'll see in group assignments. This is where you'll be posting. You'll have some team activities, and this is where you will post those. Team activity 1, and they're out of order here. I apologize for that, but I can't make a change to that right now. But so team activity 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are all here, as well as your community assessment proposal, the presentation, and the final paper, which we'll talk more about when we go over the syllabus. But I wanted you to be sure you know where the team section is and how to find that. I need you to do that fairly soon, and if you are not in a team, I need you to email me and let me know if you're not able to access the team information. It's possible that I set this up a week ago and more people have been added to the course, and I just need to add you to a team. But you want to make sure you're on a team. Okay, let's go back to our Start Here. And one of the next things down is the announcements. I've already sent out one announcement. If you did not receive it, you need to check your spam in your MyMav email. Typically what happens is this is where I will communicate changes to things. Extra credit will be communicated here, so you want to make sure that you're in touch with the announcement section and check your MyMav email frequently so you can be aware of changes as they arise. And then we come to the syllabus. It's right there. You click on syllabus, and then there's a place right there. That's the student mode. So this is what you will likely see. Let me go back to Teams for a minute, and you'll see when the one that you're enrolled in comes up, you'll be able to see it there. Okay, back to syllabus. I'll introduce that in a different video. Here is where all of your course materials are. This is where the units for the course are, or the modules for the course are here, and you will follow along each week and complete all of the units for the course. So let's click on Unit 1, and there is everything that you need to know. So here is the course introduction, and then there's a course introduction there, and then there's the acknowledging sources quiz that you need to take, and then this is our introduction to this class for our first week. So you'll be creating a thread there. If you don't know how to do discussion boards, you want to kind of mess around with it a little bit to make sure you know how to do discussion boards. Basically, you click there and then create a thread. Instructions will come up and you can post all the things you need to post right there. Back to course materials, all the units are here for the semester. If you find something that doesn't have the right date, or I don't know, is closed, or something strange happens, just let me know. And the sooner you let me know, the sooner I can either get back to you with a response or change that. So the quicker that I know things, the better. So each one is here all the way through to the end of the semester. It's all there. And let's go to major assignments is over here. This has a couple of things in it that you'll want to know. The community assessment guideline and rubric is here. I believe it is also in the other tools, but just so you know, if you aren't able to find something, you might want to look in the major assignments area. Most of the other major assignments, though, are in your team area. I'll show you that again down here. So if you look down here, that's your group assignments. It's all there. So if I click on community assessment presentation, that's where you're going to post that. So if there's something, again, that you don't have, like the community assessment guideline and rubric, go to major assignments and you can find it there. The grade section is, I'm still working on that. There are some things in there that are from last semester that I'm working with the Center for Distance Ed to figure out how not to let you see that so that it doesn't confuse you. But for now, if you're looking at grades and it says upcoming or something like that, the best way you can find it is by the doing the first activity, and then it'll start coming up. These are actually in order, so there are some that are 2017, and you'll be able to see those. So you're to complete the ones that are 2017, not the ones in there that are 2016, and that's just one of those glitches that I'm still working with, and hopefully I'll get it. We can get it fixed before class starts. But if not, and you're looking at grades, you have a question, let me know. I can help you sort it out. Okay, that's the main thing, is communicating with me. Okay. Let's see. That's an area, I think. Yes, this is your assessment for the community assessment project. So you'll be filling this out at the end of the semester, and we can talk more about that later. On this area, this is just a list of the discussions that are posted. What I would prefer is, instead of just jumping in here and saying, oh, I'll just finish my post this week, I'd rather you go to be in course materials most of the time and start from there and do everything from there. You can skip to discussions to get to this part, or to browse around and see what people have done, but it's really helpful if you will start from course materials. And that way we don't get things confused. And also, you need the background of the course materials. There's some very specific instructions on how to do a discussion board. This is an upper level class, so the discussion boards and the activities require more than you may be used to. from other courses. You'll have to cite course text, use course materials, and that sort of thing. There's some other places where you can send email. If you need help with Blackboard or you need some writing resources, those are there. And that's essentially what you need to know to get you started. Please feel free to email me, or and we can talk if we need to in person or on the phone. But I think if you'll get in there and start clicking around and get your syllabus out at the same time, you'll be able to navigate this course well. Again, the main thing for this particular course is this team area, because you will be doing most of your stuff in teams for this class. I'm also teaching this face-to-face this semester, and so we will be all learning together and navigating the team situation together. As I need to, I may need to make corrections throughout the semester. So you'll be hearing from me. You'll be seeing lots of announcements and some additions to Blackboard, and we'll converse back and forth. So you are not alone in this. Welcome to the spring 2017 semester, and if you have any questions or just want to process any of your concerns, let me know. I'll be glad to talk to you about that, and I hope you have a great semester. The next section that you need to look at will be your syllabus section, and I'm creating a video for that section as well. So have a wonderful semester. I look forward to working with you.